Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to find a solution about SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you click here. After that, in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all the steps, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.